All right, here's the next episode of my pork sausage patty maple flavored MRE series. And today we're going to do a real quick one. Beverage base orange type 3 formulation H. Sugar free. This is basically Gatorade or Tang. It's either Gatorade or Tang. I guess I'll find out once I open it up. And you just throw it in a bottle of water, shake it up, and drink it down, you stupid clown. That's from The Simpsons. Now, if I can get this fucking son of a bitch open, I swear too much on this YouTube channel. But what the hell? What are you gonna do? I probably should have opened this before. But since I'm never prepared for anything, actually I am, because I have a Swiss Army knife. So let's see if I can. Oh, it's rusty. All right, get that open. Now I'll throw it in there, shake it up, and let's see what we got going on here. So we have going on in the bottle, we have a little blood clot on the bottom. I'm going to try to shake that out without getting it all over the place. It tastes great. I can't get that little bit out. It's like it clumped together. I think that this may not have been the freshest MRE, even though it's really not that old. I think it's only a year old, but still got a little bit of clumping going on. Maybe that's just me not knowing how to fucking mix a goddamn Gatorade powder. But it tastes like orange Gatorade, like I said. Or maybe it tastes like Tang, which is essentially orange Gatorade. You know, I always heard that the astronauts drank Tang. But how the fuck did they drink Tang? You can't have that powder in space. It'll go everywhere. You know? It'll clog the instruments. Like ruffles and ants. You can't have that stuff in space. See if I can get this out. I'm spilling it all over the place. It's pretty good. It says sugar-free on it. It doesn't have an aftertaste that most sugar-free drinks and sugar-free like the powder drinks normally have. So that's certainly a plus. I hate the aftertaste. It's one of the reasons why I don't normally buy stuff like that. There's 250% vitamin C in this son of a bitch over here. And 25% calcium. So as I thought, it's, you know, very nutritious for you, but it should be because you're in the field and stuff. So yeah, it's very good. That's a 16-ounce bottle of water. This wants 20 fluid ounces, so that's why it's a little off. It's still good. It's it's still fine. It doesn't taste bad or anything, but it probably tastes more flavorful because the bottle of water there's less water in that, so it's not as diluted. It's a 16.9-ounce bottle of water. So that's why there's more flavor in that than there would be in a 20 fluid ounce bottle. But regardless, it's a fine addition to this MRE. I could see this being pretty valuable out there. If you could use it for your vitamins, you could trade it for something else, save it for later. Yeah, it's definitely a very refreshing drink. Definitely gonna be sipping on that for the rest of the day, enjoying that in lieu of my regular martini that I drink at 6 o'clock at night every evening. I'll be drinking Beverage Base Orange Type 3 Formulation H. I'll be sipping on it casually in my top hat and fur coat. So yeah, that's what we got here for the Menu 17 pork sausage patty maple flavored. The only thing that's left is the main event, the big boy himself, the pork sausage patty with table syrup. It's gonna be a good one, so check that out too.